Hello guys, welcome to the part 5 lecture on the ArcGIS Pro. So previously we created a 3D animation of this DEM file. So today lecture we just create a grid on it, known as the, like if I go to the geoprocessing tool, which is known as Fishnet. If I search it, Fishnet, this one, create a Fishnet. So in this you can click this template, the this resolute dim file, and the what is the cells, because of the very slow. For example, if I create 200 and 200, okay, so cell width will be 200, and if I, and the output will be the output, if I give the output to the this one, Fishnet, and save it and run it. So it will be create a Fishnet on it. As you know, this is the Fishnet, and I cross this one, and can, if I remove this dots and these lines, if I reduces the thickness, if I reduce the 0.5, apply it, so it will be reduced. I think one is okay, one, and the color is the, if I, this one color, choose the color, so okay, it would be more lighter if I more like this one and apply on it. So this is the Fishnet I created, and you can also see in the R3D uh, of your area. This one is your, and if I click on DEM file, and if I click on it, where is the Fishnet? Fishnet is very good. Why they are not coming? So I will be copy. For example, if I go to this and copy it, and this, paste it, so it will be visible, this Fishnet, you can see it. So it will be, you can also do the Fishnet in your DEM file. So I hope you guys you learned something, this Fishnet. So in next video we will be do some another informative tools of some give the informatic information about this DEM file and this 3D animation to modify more this DEM file. So see you next video.